Hey everybody, today we're introducing our all-new radiator guards for the 2021 Kawasaki KX450 XC. These will also fit 2016 through 2021 KX450F, the moto bikes. They are 11 ounces for the right side guard, 14 ounces on the left side guard. Very simple and easy to install. Very strong with 5 different attachment points on the guards. So you have 2 attachment points at the frame here and here, top and bottom, and then you have 3 on the outside. You have 1 and 2, and then at the shroud side. They're available in silver for $214, and we will have these available in satin black anodized for $234. As always, they're made in the US and come with a lifetime warranty. You can find them at your local Bulletproof Designs dealer or click the link below. Check them out at bulletproofdesigns.com. We'll also have an install video coming up shortly.